Have you ever wondered what makes a woman attracted to a man? Well, today we'll teach you 10 tricks guaranteed to make any woman fall for you in seconds. So come on, big boy, get your pen and paper so that you can take down some notes. As today, we're turning your sorry excuse for a man into a man any woman would want. Independence, both in your life as a whole and emotionally, is a characteristic that women find attractive since the beginning of time. Independence is not just about standing on your own 2 feet. It's about having a life that's rich, interesting, and fulfilling. It's about pursuing your passions, and it's about making your own decisions. When you live a life that's filled with your interests, your passions, your decisions, you become more attractive. It's like a chick magnet. You're drawing people towards you because you have something interesting to offer. And it's not just about attracting women, it's about attracting the right kind of people into your life. But remember, it's not about creating a life to attract others. It's about creating a life that you love, that you're proud of, and that embodies your beliefs. Because when you do that, you're not just attracting people, you're attracting the right people. A man with a fulfilling life is a man who exudes attractiveness. As we move down our list, use our time-stamped key moments in the description below. We've broken the video down into chapters, so that you can easily follow along or skip to a section that is of interest to you. Have you ever noticed how a man with a passion can light up a room? Picture this. A man walks into a room, his eyes sparkling with excitement as he talks about his favorite book, a recent hiking trip, or his love for boating. There's something magnetic about his energy, something that draws people towards him. This, my friends, is the power of passion. When you cultivate a genuine passion or hobby, it adds depth to your personality. You're not just another body filling up the room, it makes you more than just a face in the crowd. You become someone with stories to tell and experiences to share, and this, believe it or not, makes you incredibly appealing to women. Women are often drawn to men who lead interesting lives, men who have passions, hobbies, and interests that they care deeply about. So find something you love, dive into it, let it fill you with enthusiasm and energy. Being passionate isn't just about being interesting, it's about earning respect. Ever noticed how a well-groomed man stands out in a crowd? That's the power of good hygiene. It's more than just taking a shower and brushing your teeth. It's about presenting yourself in the best light, demonstrating respect towards yourself and those around you. You see, good hygiene is not just about cleanliness, it's a testament to your overall discipline and self-care. Imagine walking into a room smelling like you just threw some clothes on from the dirty hamper. No bueno, my friends. Now imagine walking into that same room smelling like a fresh summer breeze. Man, somebody put this guy into a commercial. You've just instantly increased your attractiveness. It's science. Our sense of smell is directly linked to our emotions and memory. So, smelling good can, quite literally, make you unforgettable. I mean, who wants a guy that stinks? Now let's talk about appearance. Dressing well doesn't necessarily mean wearing a 3-piece suit at all times. It's about understanding what suits your body type, your personality, and the occasion. Looking presentable is a form of good manners after all. Remember, great hygiene isn't an option, it's a necessity. What's one thing that almost every woman finds attractive? A good sense of humor. Now you might wonder, why is humor so important? Well, being funny isn't just about making someone laugh, it's also a sign of intellectual strength. Wit and humor require a quick mind and the ability to see connections that others might miss. It's a way of displaying your intelligence in an engaging, entertaining way. But there's more to it. Making a woman laugh can also be an indicator of her interest in you. It's a sign that she's relaxed and comfortable, that she enjoys your company. When you make her laugh, you're creating a positive association in her mind. She'll start to associate you with fun, with enjoyment, with feeling good. And who wouldn't want to spend more time with someone who makes them feel that way? Just don't push it too far, or you'll become this guy. Ever heard of the dreaded friend zone? Well, it's not as bad as you think. In fact, it's quite the opposite. The so-called friend zone can actually be a wonderful place to start building a relationship. You see, being a genuine friend to a woman can help you build trust and rapport. It's not about pretending to be her friend while secretly hoping for more. No, it's about genuinely caring for her, being there for her, and showing her kindness and respect. These qualities can lay a strong foundation for a deeper connection. This isn't an overnight process. It takes time, patience, and sincerity. But remember, strong relationships are built on friendship. So don't fear the friend zone. Embrace it. Use it as a stepping stone to create a meaningful bond. Being her friend first can be your secret weapon in winning her heart. You still with us, big boy? Okay, get ready, there's a quiz at the end. Ever wondered how to show her you're interested without saying a word? It's all about breaking the touch barrier. This is not about groping or making anyone uncomfortable. You follow me, creepy boy? It's about subtly incorporating non-sexual touches that show comfort and interest. A light touch on the arm while laughing at a joke, a gentle tap on the shoulder to get her attention, or even a high five can serve this purpose. It's important to tread carefully here. The touch should be casual, almost incidental. The key is to make it feel natural and non-threatening. Pay attention to her reaction to your touch. If she seems comfortable and reciprocates, that's a good sign. If she pulls away or appears uncomfortable, respect her boundaries and give her space. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but also how you say it. And sometimes, silence speaks louder than words. Remember, a touch can speak volumes about your interest. Want to build a deeper connection with her? Start by sharing your secrets. Diving into the world of trust and intimacy, we understand that opening up is not always easy. It's about revealing your vulnerabilities, your fears, your dreams. Let me be clear though, this is not the time to tell her about how Russia has a secret tape of you in a hotel room, or how some film actress spanked you with a rolled-up magazine. But here's the truth. It's in these intimate moments, when you share your innermost thoughts and feelings, that the seeds of trust are sown. When you trust her with your secrets, you're extending an invitation to step into your world. This not only shows that you trust her, but it also makes her feel special and valued. And trust me, this feeling of value is powerful. It triggers a sense of reciprocation, inspiring her to share her own secrets, her own world with you. This mutual exchange deepens your connection, creating a bond that is both intimate and strong. When you open up to her, it opens the door to her heart. Do you know what makes a woman feel special? Your undivided attention. It's not simply about being present physically, but also mentally and emotionally. Picture this. You're at a bustling party, but when she speaks, it's like you're the only two people in the room. You listen, you engage, you remember the details, and you show genuine interest. This isn't about pretending to care. It's about truly wanting to understand her world. When you remember the little things she mentions or the stories she shares, you're saying, I value you, I care about what you have to say. It's a subtle yet powerful way to make her feel seen and special. And when you make her feel special, you're not just another face in the crowd, you're someone who resonates with her, someone who matters. So remember, in the world of attraction, attention is the most precious gift. Do you know what's the most attractive trait a man can have? Confidence, but of course. It's the charismatic glow that radiates from someone who knows their worth. But how do you cultivate it? Well, it begins with self-improvement and self-awareness. You see, when you work on becoming the best version of yourself, you naturally develop a sense of self-assuredness. This could involve learning a new skill, pursuing a passion, or even taking the time to understand your emotions and reactions. But don't take it too far. Respect the fine line between confidence and cockiness. Okay, big boy? Don't underestimate the power of regular exercise either. It's not just about looking good, though that is a nice bonus. It's about feeling good. When you're physically active, your body releases chemicals called endorphins. These create a positive feeling in the body, often referred to as a runner's high. This natural mood booster can do wonders for your confidence. Remember, confidence doesn't just attract women, it commands respect from everyone around you. Like and subscribe to join us on a journey of discovery as we seek to understand the fundamental aspects of human behavior, emotions, cognition, and relationships. Stay curious, and until next time.